Hey guys, want to make wireless electricity transmission circuit, right? This is how it looks, right? You're going to enjoy the video, so stay put to watch it. These are things we need for the project. These are schematic circuit diagram. Let's get started. Take a round object and make a coil of wires with 30 turns. Trim it, then pull it out and make sure you note it, right? To prevent it from uncoiling or scattering. Do same to the next one. So we need two of them. One is 30 turns and the other one is 15. So we have A and B copper wires. So take time to just do this, right? And I believe you're going to enjoy this video. Yes, you're going to enjoy it. It's very cool project. I love it, right? Having wireless electricity. So pull it out. When you pull it out, make sure you tie it as well. Make sure you tie everything to, yes, make it tighten so it will not scatter. And you can trim them out as well. Use lighter to trim it off, right? To burn the insulation off. If you don't have a lighter, you can use scissors or sharp object. Please be careful doing this. Then scrape it off. Just works the same way. Okay. So we need this transistor. So how do you determine the transistor? Now for you to actually determine the transistor, you can see it the way it is on this very video, right? So to get this done with the flat side of the, so the first one is emitter, the second one is collector, and the next one is base. So we have to do the soldering. So solder the base of the transistor to one of the ends of the resistor. Also solder the other end to it as well. You can use tape to run this. It's still going to give you the results. But make sure you're careful while doing this, please. Then the connection is ready. Check your own. You can pause the video. You can pause the video. Cross-check your work, please. Make sure everything is intact, is well connected. Okay. Then if you want, you could solder the other one to it. Solder the two ends from coil A to coil B. So you have to trim off everything as required, right? Look at what. So check your connection. So now these are our receiver. So we have to connect it. So attach the positive end of the battery to the tap from coil B and attach the negative end of the battery to the emitter. So we have to take time to do that. Now let's grab the other one that we finished. Let's grab it and test it. Let's run the experiment to see. Hope you guys love this. It's working. It's working. Yours should be working as well. So leave a comment in the comment section below, right? Let us know how you feel about the project and if everything works as you see in this video. Thank you guys for watching.